Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. I'm Ryan and today we are here with another tutorial in After Effects. Today we want to learn some useful shortcuts in After Effects. And as you know, using shortcuts in the program could really help you and fasten your workflow. So don't forget to learn all of the shortcuts of the program to just start working like a professional and make it faster. So let's jump into the program and start our first one. You know, here we have some transform tool under our layers like anchor point, position, scale, rotation and opacity, and all of these have a shortcut. I'm closing it, and now if I click on this and use the A on the keyboard, it will show the anchor point for me, and now I can start animating without seeing my list crowded. So the next one is P, which stands for position, so I'm just clicking on my layer and push P on my keyboard, and now you can see the position. And the next one is S, which stands for scale. Here we have the scale, and the next one is R for rotation, which here you can see that it has an animate. And now the last one is opacity, which has a little different, which the shortcut is T for opacity. So let's jump to the second part. So if you find it so hard to go to the next or previous keyframe on your timeline, or you're just using the shift on your keyboard, and I know it's very hard to do this, so what is the trick for using this? Here is the shortcut key. For example, here we have two keyframes on our timeline. So I'm using K for the next keyframe, as you see, and I'm using J on my keyboard for the previous keyframe. They are next together on the keyboard, and so it's very easy to use them. So here is the next shortcut on the keyboard. If you want to duplicate and you're using the Ctrl C and Ctrl V for copy and pasting, here's the easy way. Just use the Ctrl D on your keyboard and you can have a duplicate for your layer. So click on your layer and Ctrl D on keyboard to have a duplicate from your layer. So as you see, it has been duplicated, and now if I start transforming it using the position, here we have two layers of the same. So here is the next trick. You'll know that if I use the Ctrl A on my keyboard, you can select all the layers on the screen. So what do you do if you want to deselect all of the layers on your screen? So you just need to simply use Ctrl Shift and A on your keyboard to deselect all of the layers you can see. Welcome to the next trick. You can use the Ctrl L on your keyboard to lock a layer. As you know, L stands for lock, and now use the Ctrl L when you have selected a layer to lock that layer. So I'm just pushing the Ctrl L, and now you can see that the lock icon has appeared. This video is also over. It was the first part of the After Effects shortcut. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you have any question, just tell me in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget the other videos in my channel.